Hi everyone, my name is Ruben. Welcome to the Information Center. In today's video, we're going to learn how to download ChatGPT onto your iPad Pro and also how to use it to learn another language such as Spanish. If you're not using the iPad Pro, don't worry. You can still use this video as a guideline. Okay, so first let's download the ChatGPT app from the App Store on the iPad Pro. For your convenience, follow the little gray dot. So the App Store is open. Go to the search. Tap on the search text box and type ChatGPT. Hit search and you will see the results. At the top I have ChatGPT and it states the official app by OpenAI. If the ChatGPT app doesn't pop up at the top like it did for me, then scroll down a little bit and look for it. Make sure that you get the one that says the official app by OpenAI. Now I have the option to open the app because I already have it installed. But if you haven't installed it, then you'll have a get option. So just tap on get and then it'll begin the process of installing the app. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the app. Now, once the app is installed, then sign in or create an account. Once you've created your account, then go to the front page of the app, as you can see here. Now, for myself, I have information on the left side here, and that's because I've been using the app. But since you've installed it for the first time, you won't have any information on the left side. As you begin to do things with the app, then this left side is going to grow. It's going to create a history of what you've used it for. Okay, so having said that, let's get right to it. Now that you've installed the ChatGPT app, let's see how we can use it to learn Spanish or any other language. In this case, we're just going to focus on Spanish. Okay, so first thing, tap on the message text box. Now we're going to use a couple of examples to help us to get started with learning the Spanish language. You can ask ChatGPT to help you study Spanish by starting a conversation. So now that we're here at the message text box, what we're going to do is we can either type in a question or we can speak a question here if you tap on the microphone. So I'm going to tap on the microphone and I'm going to ask a question. Can we practice a conversation in Spanish about ordering food at a restaurant? And there you have it, audio to text. Now we're going to tap on this up arrow here and it's going to begin the process. So as you can see, it's creating a conversation here, but it's all in Spanish. So since we're practicing on learning Spanish, we probably don't know what it says. So what we'll do is we'll ask ChatGPT if it could do something else for us. So here I'm tapping on the microphone. Can you add the English dialogue above the Spanish dialogue? Now I'm going to hit the up arrow. And there you have it. So now we know what we're reading. Okay, just a quick rundown here. The waiter says, "Good afternoon, welcome. How can I help you today?" And then in Spanish it says, "Buenas tardes, bienvenidos. ¿En qué puedo ayudarles hoy?" Now, there might be another issue here. How do you pronounce these words? I'm going to use my finger here to highlight one word in Spanish and I'm going to go across Now, as you can see, after I went across a sentence and highlighted it, there appeared some other options that we can use. I'll tap on speak.
Buenas tardes, bienvenidos. ¿En qué puedo ayudarles hoy?
And there you go. So these options that appear are on the iPad Pro. I don't know how it works with other computers or tablets, like an Android tablet or whatnot. So just experiment with it and see what you can do. Now I'm going to re-highlight and I'm going to show you one other option, to translate. So I'm going to go to translate, and it gives you a little bit more information here or options on doing things. So now here you have the Spanish version and also the English version. So either one, you could tap on play and you can listen
¿En qué puedo ayudarles hoy?
to the question that was asked. Okay, and you can also tap on the English.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
And go from there. Okay, so anyways, that's how you do that. Now let's go to another example. Now, if you're working on your grammar, then you can ask ChatGPT to explain specific grammar rules or provide exercises. So here's another example. Okay, so let's tap on the message text box, and for this example, we're just gonna say something like, and again, I'm gonna use the microphone. Can you explain how to use past tense verbs in Spanish and give me a few sentences to practice? And there you have the translation from audio to text. Now I'm going to tap on the up arrow right here again. Giving examples, practice lessons. Now, since it's all in Spanish, we're also gonna ask it to provide this information in English. Can you provide the above information in English as well? Hit the up arrow. In Spanish, there are two main past tenses, the preterite and the imperfect. Here's a basic explanation of each and some examples for practice. So there you have it. Once again, you have all this information that you can learn from, and that's how you use the ChatGPT app to help you learn Spanish or any other language. Now, of course, there's a lot more that you can do with this, but that's just, a couple examples. Just play around with the application and have fun with it. I think this is great. As I was preparing for this video, I was reading in depth the information that's provided, and it seems pretty accurate. Learning a new language is challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Now continue with a willingness to learn regularly and ask questions. With this, you're ready to start your language learning process. Keep practicing with ChatGPT, stay curious, and you'll make great progress. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Information Center for more videos and helpful tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.